And hello, just an update. In the last video, I was trying to find, where all the code for adding channels is. So I was not able to find many, examples over here in the test channels.py. This one, or rather, test channel creation.py. Then if I search a thermistor, I will see this add AI thermistor channel. Okay. But where can we find all the examples of such functions? Actually, we need to look inside the source code. Where is this source code? Well, you can see that AI channels is under the task module and it's under AI channels. And then over here you have the AI thermistor, add AI thermistor channel IEX. Alright, so that's one thing to take note. So it should be under the task modules here. So you go to task modules. And over here you can search for thermistor. Alright, so if you look at, if you search github and you look for thermistor, and then it says test create AI channel, we already saw that. AI thermistor, that's not what we are looking for. And then we see this thing here, def AI thermistor channel IEX, def AI thermistor channel VEX. Where are all these? These are inside this AI channel collection.py, so you can click on it. And here you will find the source code for this Python implementation. So you'll see this thing actually imports C types, so it will be able to execute C++ code or import C++ libraries or C libraries. Alright, you'll import NumPy as well. So it will import a lot of things. This whole thing, this whole module itself, it will import. There are lots of functions being defined, and within those functions, you can see what's under the hood, so to speak. So this is your constructor, and you can just go so on and so forth. You see this thing here, AI channel collection. This is a class which inherits from channel collection, because you see that bracket over here. Okay, channel collection is the parent class, AI channel collection is the child class. If you look at this one, add AI, you can see all the sorts of channels you can have. Add AI current channel, AI current RMS channel, force bridge polynomial channel. You can there's even a microphone channel, which is quite interesting here. Microphone channel. Yeah, so I wonder how it says create channel that uses microphone to measure sound pressure. I wonder if you can use computer microphones to test the DAC, or add them to NIDAQmx. This is just speculation. I doubt that will be so easy, but that is something useful. POS edit current, LVDT, blah 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 blah. So, and look at here, add AI thermocouple channel. So you can use this function, add AI thermocouple channel, to do your thermocouples. And then over here you will find your thermistor channel, which I think measures temperature using relative changes in resistance, or the resistance values that you have to map against the temperature. So there's acceleration, there's charge. You can take a look at this source code over here. So just a few takeaways. If you're not sure where to look for the functions, look for them inside the source code. And you can actually search for certain keywords in GitHub to make your job make your search a little bit easier. And it's a good thing that all these things are, on Git, so you can actually take a look at what's going on under the hood. Thanks for watching.